Rising rapper accused of murder. Police say he shot two of his friends and then tried to make it look like they had been killed by someone else.
NBC6 reporter Amanda Placencia is live in Fort Lauderdale tonight with the details for us. Amanda.
Yes, Jawan and Jackie, police are accusing this upcoming rapper, YNW Melly, of trying to cover up the crime and then making it seem like a drive-by shooting. But now, tonight, both of those men are right here at the Broward County Jail. Jamel Demons, a.k.a. South Florida rapper YNW Melly, turned himself in, and Cortland Henry extradited from Texas. Both men arrested and facing the law.
Mr. Henry, you're before the court today for 2 counts of premeditated murder and 2 counts of accessory after the fact.
The victims, their close friends, aspiring rappers Anthony YNW Sack Chaser Williams and Christopher YNW Juvie Thomas Jr. were killed back in October of last year. According to Miramar police, 19-year-old Demons and 20-year-old Henry are accused of staging the crime scene to look like a drive-by shooting after Demons allegedly shot and killed the pair. Police say Henry drove a Jeep with a shattered window to the emergency room at Memorial Hospital Miramar. Passengers Williams and Thomas had multiple gunshot wounds and were pronounced dead on arrival. Demons even took to social media to mourn after the shooting, tweeting in part, "They took my brothers from me over jealousy." Police say Williams and Thomas were last seen alive at 3:20 a.m. on October 26 in Fort Lauderdale. Now, as for Henry, he is due back in court on Thursday as he's in the process of hiring an attorney. Meanwhile, police giving limited details at this point as this all remains under investigation. Live in Fort Lauderdale, Amanda Placencia, NBC6.
So YNW Melly is back in the news, bruh. Here we go again. Every time I open IG, somebody's lawyer is pleading somebody's innocence. So I hope YNW Melly's actually innocent. I hope bro didn't actually smoke his boys, because that shit's kind of fucked up. So ladies and gentlemen, breaking news of the day, YNW Melly might be coming home soon. According to reports, YNW Melly's former lawyer and Kodak Black's current lawyer decided to share some insight on the case. I'm sure everybody already knows this by now. YNW Melly's facing a double murder charge. It's been almost 2 years. Crime scene photos have been out there. Surveillance footage is circulating online. But there's no DNA evidence linking YNW Melly to the crime scene. Of course, it's not 95 when DNA didn't matter. If it did, OJ would have been doing 25 to life. But let's not get off track. So YNW Melly's former lawyer took to IG and said, I'll actually read it out to you guys. He said this will be an interesting trial. I am no longer representing YNW Melly in this matter, but I predict a non-guilty based on all the evidence I have reviewed. He has some very fine attorneys that I believe will be able to secure a favorable verdict. I also think that the bond will be granted given the weakness of the evidence. Never rush to judgment in cases until you see everything. Damn, that sounds good and well, but bro, focus on getting Kodak out. That's what you're getting paid to do. Forget about YNW Melly. Hopefully, bro gets out. Fans are kind of 50-50 about it. Some fans are saying lawyers always say the same thing. They can prove anyone's innocence. Other fans kind of don't believe it. Like I mentioned earlier, hopefully YNW Melly will be home soon. Thank you so much for tuning in. Your boy Alfred will keep you updated if there's any developments. Thank you so much for tuning in. Your boy Alfred out.
I just wanna